Hello and welcome to the video. Today we're checking out the Great Meadow Trail. The entrance is by a boat launch. This is a place where it's pretty much out in the middle of nowhere, but not really. I mean, there's a main road that runs in, right next to it. This place features a picnic area and a boat launch, as well as a trail that goes down the coast of the Connecticut River that's in Vermont. And it's pretty nice. If you have a need to stop for a place to get lunch or just hang out, yeah, this is cool. It's right next to the Connecticut River, so you can have a nice view. There are picnic tables and grills situated in like the picnic area, and then there's a trail that's right down here where you can go for, I think it's like a few miles. There's also other trails that are in the area, and you can check that out. But I just came here to this one because it was by the water. There is people here, but not a ton. Somebody launched a boat just now. And other than that, there's just people that are walking their dogs and stuff like that. Dogs are fine. There's signs that are, you just have to have them on a leash. I encountered some people with dogs. And yeah, I mean, overall, it's a small, quaint place where if you want to get away and just, make a couple hours of a trip. There also was some people who had stopped with a boat and they were eating lunch. So this is definitely a place for that. This is the trail, pretty straightforward. It's not really that hard or difficult. It's on the easy side, and it's all grass, like this little tunnel thing that's on a couple of the sections here. There's a cornfield to the left, and then the Connecticut River to your right. Be nice and calm and chill and eat some food or whatever. This is the place for you. No, I think that's it. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you think you might want more of this content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.